To change the background of a photo in Canva, let's come over to our photo editor here. I want to upload the photo we want to change the background. I'll click on upload and I'll bring in my photo. Our image has opened up in the photo editor, and from here you want to click on BG remover, which will take out your background. To edit this further, I'm going to click on create design, and from here you can go to position and come over to layers and select on the background if you want to add in colors, a solid color or a gradient color to your background. You can choose that from here. Or if you want to use an image to replace this background, let's go over to our elements, go to photos, let's search for spotlight background, and we'll have all these beautiful images come up. Anyone that grabs your attention that you want to use, you can easily just tap on the background like this and click these three dots and replace your background. When you're done, you want to click on share here and come over to download and download